Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ready to dive into the share market? You'll need a brokerage account, which is essentially your secure access point for buying and selling investments. It's an indispensable tool, acting as your personal trading hub, connecting you directly to the market. Setting one up is simpler than you might think, and it's your first exciting step towards financial growth. Choosing the right broker is a crucial step. You'll want to compare fees, looking closely at commissions and other charges. Also, consider the platform's features, like research tools and educational materials, which can really help you learn. Make sure your chosen broker is well-regulated and offers reliable customer support, ensuring peace of mind as you begin. Before you apply, gather a few key documents. You'll definitely need a government-issued identification, perhaps your passport or driver's license. Also, have proof of address handy, like a recent utility bill or bank statement, and be ready with your bank account details. Having these prepared in advance will make the application process much smoother and quicker. The application process is usually straightforward and online. Just head to your chosen broker's website and click on Open Account. You'll then fill out an online form with your personal and financial information. Remember to carefully upload all your required documents digitally and always review everything thoroughly before hitting Submit, ensuring accuracy. After your account is approved, the next step is funding it. You'll link your bank account and then deposit funds securely, often through electronic transfers. With money in your account, you can start exploring the platform, familiarizing yourself with its features. Take your time, perhaps even try virtual trading if offered, before making your first real investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.